Hello kids, I hope you all are safe and doing well. I am Juhi Khemani and I am here to tell you a story named Sringari Srinivas Learns to Laugh. It is published by Pratham Books. The author is Rohini Nilekani and the illustrators are Angie and Upesh. So here goes. Sringari Srinivas was a good farmer. He grew the best bananas, which made the best banana halwa. But he also had the scariest frown in the world. When he was angry, his forehead became full of deep lines. His nose became red and his eyes became very sharp. When Sringari Srinivas frowned, everyone ran away from him. His wife, his children, and his friends tried to hide. His cows and dogs ran away. Even the crows in the field flew away when Sringari Srinivas frowned. And Sringari Srinivas frowned often when his crops were not growing well, when his barber had no time to cut his hair, when the TV did not work, and so on and on. One day, Sringari Srinivas went into his field to look at his banana harvest. He was in a bad mood. No one knew why. He walked quickly to his biggest banana plant. There were big bunches of lovely fruit. Soon he would begin to make his famous banana halwa. His frown changed into a small smile. Just then, a troop of monkeys came swinging from a tree nearby. The biggest one with a very red bottom jumped exactly onto the plant that Sringari Srinivas was looking at proudly. This made him frown again. His frown grew and grew. It was his biggest frown ever. It began from his head and spread right to his toes. The monkey, with his own nasty temper, was surprised. He had never seen a frown like that. He dropped a half-peeled banana on the floor and he dropped a few more. Quickly, he jumped to the next plant and the next. Soon he was far away and safe from the frown. Sringari Srinivas saw the monkey leap from the plant to plant. He chased the monkey. He wanted to teach the monkey a lesson. On the way, he slipped on the banana peel. Swoosh, he went down and his choppals got stuck in the mud. Sringari Srinivas sat up and tried to chase the monkey again. Swoosh, he slipped again. This time he fell with his face down. Somehow he managed to sit up again, his mouth full of leaves and muds and twig. When he looked up, the monkeys had gone. Sringari Srinivas looked down at himself. His nice shirt was brown. His hands were dirty and scratched. He could not even find his own legs. They were all mixed up in the soil. Suddenly, he realized that he looked very funny. Sringari Srinivas, the famous farmer, he was now sitting all by himself on a pile of leaves, mud and bananas. It was all very funny. And Sringari Srinivas began to laugh. It was a little laugh at first. It then began bigger. Ha ha! The more he laughed, the more Sringari Srinivas wanted to laugh. The laugh grew bigger. Ha ha ha! And bigger. Soon he was clutching his stomach and rolling on the mud. Ha 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 ha! Tears were rolling out of his eyes. The laugh was so musical that the birds nearby came to listen. The laugh was so loud that the monkeys came back. The laugh was so funny that many kids came along. The laugh was so new that his whole family came out to hear it too. Sringari Srinivas laughed so much that everyone else began to laugh as well. The birds twittered, the crows caved, the monkeys chattered, the kids began to giggle, the banana plants began to sway, the barber in the shop grinned, the tailor began to chortle, Even the tiger, sleeping far away in his cave, smiled into his whiskers. Suddenly, Sringari Srinivas finished laughing. Everything and everyone around him looked so happy. He felt happy too. Come on, let's go home, he said, holding his hands out to the children. Sringari Srinivas still frowns sometimes, but now he likes to laugh too. And he has the biggest laugh in town. So children, always remember to smile and laugh. Come what may, whatever the situation is, always remember to laugh. Because when you laugh, the world laughs with you. Thank you and stay safe.